Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're excited to announce our new center AC duct for the 73 to 79 trucks and the 78 to 79 Broncos. This duct is designed to connect the AC evaporator to the center register, replacing the original cloth over wire construction that tends to crumble and fall apart over time. Until now, all that was available in the aftermarket were 3D printed ends with a flexible dryer tube, but Dennis Carpenter has come up with a much better option. Using brand new tooling, we've designed a flexible bellow style duct hose that will fit perfectly in place of your original. Injection molded from high quality rubber, our duct is superior to the Ford originals and will last for many years. The accordion style bellow is molded to fit perfectly in place and stay where you put it. So if the center duct on your 73 to 79 truck or 78 through 79 Bronco needs a quality replacement, Dennis Carpenter has exactly what you need. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.